Hello. In this video, we will show you how to connect the frames together. You should receive these cases that have the Valis Exhibition System's logo. Each piece is labeled with numbers that correspond to the connections and also the side. You connect each piece together like this. And then you secure these fasteners to lock them in place. Note that you only secure the white fasteners. The red fasteners are not to be touched. Then you connect the connections for the LED lights like this. Note that they only go in one way, so there is no real issue with making a mistake. Then we recommend connecting all of the pieces labeled down and all of the pieces labeled up together. On the side of these pieces, you connect these corner pieces and fasten them, like this. Then connect the side pieces using the numbers to tell which one, like this. Keep in mind that you have to be careful not to cut the cables when connecting. Fasten them in like this. Don't forget to connect the cables. So right now the structure should look something like this. Then take the piece that is labeled down, put it down, take the piece with two people labeled up, connect them together. Fasten and connect the cables. Next, you will take these three pieces, connect them together, like so. Note that the fasteners should be on each side. Take the connecting piece, secure it like so, and fasten it. Note that this piece connects to the back of the frame, where the blockout fabric will go. At this stage, you should probably make sure that everything is connected safely. To do this, you connect the cable with the power supply, and then you plug the power supply in the wall outlet. In Greece, we use these types of wall outlets. I believe this is what is used in Spain as well, but you may need an adapter. Everything is working fine. To connect the frames together, you take these connecting pieces. They have holes for screws, but not on this side. So this side goes outside. You attach the screws on both sides. And this is how the frames are connected with each other. There is one piece on the top and one piece on the bottom. Next, we will look at how to install the fabrics. The fabrics are installed to the frames like this. You just push them inside the frame. You need to use gloves for this, as the fabrics stain very easily. Next, you will connect the blockout fabric. The dark side goes outside and the white side goes on the inside of the structure. The frames will be packaged in these boxes. They will be labeled accordingly.